Jojo, go make Kayla laugh. I'm recording it. Go be in the video. Go be in the picture with Kayla. Look at Jumpy Jumpy. The 1-footer. Hi, Jumpy. This is Kayla's new favorite place to be. In the Jolly Jumper, now that she's figured out how to jump. Kayla!